Recording. So let's go to exercise number 2. Question number 1, sub question 1, which is on page number 2 of your worksheet. X raised to 4 minus 5x square plus 6 is equal to 0. X raised to 4 can be written as x square the whole square plus 5x square plus 6 equal to 0. Let x square equal to m. So this is m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so we have to split the middle term over here. So yes, how should we do that? So the product is 1 into 6, that is equal to 6. This is 1 and this is 6. So 1 into 6, that is positive 6. So we require positive 6 over here. Okay, so the factors over here are minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, minus 3 into minus 2 is positive 6, and minus 3 minus 2, if you add and subtract, it's minus 5. So m minus 3 minus 2, m minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so m minus 2 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 2 or m is equal to 3. Okay, m minus 2, m minus 3 equal to 0. So m equal to 2 or m equal to 3. But then m is x square. So x square equal to 2 or x square equal to 3. So x is equal to plus minus root 2 or x is equal to plus minus root 3. Fine. X equal to plus minus root 3. Okay. Yes. So this was the first question. You can put it over the chat box if you have understood this or not. A very simple part I am taking. Should I go ahead? Okay. So question number 2. X raised to 5 plus 242 is equal to 243 upon x raised to 5. Okay, 243 upon x raised to 5. So x raised to 5 just cross multiplied on the left hand side. Okay, we have to put a bracket. Let x raised to 5 be m. Let x raised to 5 be m. Okay, so m square plus 242m is equal to 243. So m square plus 242m minus 243 is equal to 0. So m square plus 243m minus m. Okay, so I'm splitting the middle term. 243 into minus 1 is minus 243, and we add and subtract, we get 242. If you are finding this difficult, you can also apply the formula method because you have calculators. Okay, so from the first two terms, I'm going to take m common, and from the next two terms, I'm going to take minus 1 common. So m into m plus 243 minus 1 into m plus 243 equal to 0. So m minus 1, m plus 243 equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 or m is equal to minus 243. But then m is x raised to 5, x raised to 5 is equal to 1 or x raised to 5 is equal to minus 243. Okay. So this gives me x is equal to 1. This gives me x is equal to 1. And here, see, this is quite tricky over here. X raised to 5 is equal to minus 3 raised to 5. See, because 3 raised to 5 is 243, you have to factorize this. You need to factorize this. Okay. So you'll get minus 3 raised to 5. Okay. Now negative raised to 5 is negative. Okay. So here by comparing, what is the value of x? Will you tell me? If the powers are same and if there is equal to sign in between, The bases will be same. So what is the value of x? Anyone? What is the value of x? Those who are attending, can you please revert? Hello. Correct. Good. X is equal to -3. Fine. Yeah, correct. So let's go to the third problem. Question number 3. 10x raised to -2 minus 9 minus x raised to -4 is equal to 0. Let x raised to -2 be m, or rather, I'll just take it m later on. I'll do this. 10x raised to -2 minus 9 minus x raised to -2 the whole square. Okay. This -4 I'm writing -2 into 2. -2 into 2. Okay. So now let us take x raised to -2 as m. So 10m minus 9 minus m square is equal to 0. Shift all the terms on the right hand side. M square minus 10m plus 9. M square minus 9m minus m plus 9. Split the middle term. Otherwise you have a formula method. So 0, m minus 9 minus 1, m minus 9. So m minus 1, m minus 9 equal to 0. So m equal to 1 or m equal to 9. M equal to 1 or m equal to 9. Now we'll put the value of m as x square, x raised to -2, sorry. Okay, so m is equal to 1, so x raised to -2 is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 upon x square is equal to 1, so x square equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. M equal to 9, x raised to -2 is equal to 9. 1 upon x square is equal to 9. So x square will be 1 upon 9, taking reciprocals on both the sides. So x is equal to plus minus 1 by 3. X equal to plus minus 1 by 3. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to question number 4. Have you understood this problem? Just give me a feedback. Question number 3, have you understood, guys? Okay, great. So let's go to question number 4. Question 1, sub question 4, I mean. 3 raised to 2x minus 10 into 3 raised to x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 3 raised to 2x, I'll just write it as 3 raised to x the whole square. By indices, it is absolutely very correct. Okay. And 3 raised to x, I will take it as m. Fine. So m square minus 10m plus 9 equal to 0. M square minus 9m minus m plus 9 equal to 0. Fine. So m minus 9 minus 1, m minus 9 equal to 0. M minus 1, m minus 9 equal to 0. M minus 1, m minus 9 equal to 0. So m equal to 1 or m equal to 9. M equal to 1 or m equal to 9. Okay. Now m is 3 raised to x, which is 1. M is equal to 3 raised to x, if you remember. Now this 1 can be written as 3 raised to 0. Can we write this 1 as 3 raised to 0? Can we write this 1 as 3 raised to 0, guys? Can you tell me? Rather, you can write that 1 as anything raised to 0. 1 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0, 3 raised to 0, 4 raised to 0. But then I'm making a choice of 3 because left hand side we have a 3. So by comparing x equal to anyone? By comparing x equal to, will you tell me what is x equal to? 0. Perfect. Yeah. So 3 raised to x is equal to 9. 3 raised to x is equal to 3 square. Therefore, by comparing x equal to 2. Bases are same, so the powers will be equated. Bases are same, so the powers will be equated. Okay, next problem. That is question number 5. 2 raised to 2x minus 1 minus 9 into 2 raised to x minus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So 2m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So this a raised to m minus 1 will be written as a raised to m upon a raised to n. Any feedback on this? Have you understood this? A raised to m minus n is equal to a raised to m upon a raised to n. Okay. Into 2 raised to x upon 2 raised to 2. Again, same laws of indices over here. Plus 1 equal to 0. Now this 2 raised to 2x, I'll just write it as 2 raised to x the whole square because we are having 2 raised to x over here. Okay, upon 2 minus 9 by 4, 2 raised to x plus 1. So only one change, 2 raised to x the whole square. 2 raised to x the whole square. Okay, fine. So let 2 raised to x be m. So m square upon 2 minus 9 by 4, m plus 1. M square upon 2 minus 9 by 4, m plus 1 equal to 0. See, take a good look, right? Take LCM. So this is 4, 2m square minus 9m plus 4 equal to 0. So 2m square minus 9m plus 4 equal to 0. This 4 is cross multiplied over here. So it becomes 0. So 2 into this 4 is 8 and the middle term is 9. So 8 and 1 minus and minus. If any doubts are there, you can, or if you're finding this factorization difficult, you can always opt for formula method. Okay. So 2m, m minus 4 minus 1, m minus 4 equal to 0. 2m minus 1, m minus 4 equal to 0. So m equal to half or m equal to 4. M equal to half or m equal to 4. So since m equal to half, okay, m equal to half, therefore 2 raised to x equal to half. Take this 2 on the numerator. So 2 raised to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. M equal to 8. M equal to 4, sorry. M equal to 4. 2 raised to x is equal to 4. 2 raised to x is equal to 2 square. X is equal to 2. Guys, please share a feedback whether you have understood this or not. Okay, great. Let me know if you're understanding this or not. Let's go to question number 6. Let's go to question number 6. 3 raised to 2x plus 1 plus 3 square equal to 3 raised to x plus 3 plus 3 raised to x. Okay. So here I'll apply indices. Okay. So it will be 3 raised to 2x into 3 raised to 1 because a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. Is this clear, guys? Or any difficulties there? Indices. Okay. Plus 9 equal to 3 raised to x into 3 raised to 3. Here also the same thing, same concept I have applied. X plus 3. So once it is x and once it is 3. These are basic indices. Plus 3 raised to x. Now this 3 raised to 2x can be written as 3 raised to x the whole square. This 3 raised to 1, I'll just write it over here as 3 plus 9 is equal to, this is 27, 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to x. Now I'll take 3 raised to x as m. Okay. 3 raised to x is equal to m. So 3m square plus 9, 27m plus m. Wherever there is 3 raised to x, I'm just putting m. So 3m square minus 28m plus 9 equal to 0. This is 28m. Okay. Guys, can you solve this further? Should I give for self-study? This particular part? Or you want me to solve this further? Is it okay if I give this for self-study? Anyone wants me to solve? Because it is similar to previous problem now. But then yes, at the end, replace the value of m as 3 raised to x, okay? Replace the value of m as 3 raised to x. Yeah, let's go to the 7th problem over there in your worksheet. 7th problem. Root of x square minus 3x is equal to 4x square minus 12x minus 3. Okay. So root of x square minus 3x, take 4 common. X square minus 3x minus 3. Okay. I have taken 4 common over here. Now let x square minus 3x be m. Now this time see we are changing the strategy. We are taking x square minus 3x as m. So this is root of m 4m minus 3 Wherever there is x square minus 3x, put m. Now to eliminate the root, we'll square both the sides. M is equal to 4m minus 3 the whole square. Okay. 16m square minus 8 into 3, 24m plus 9. 16m square minus 24m plus 9. So send this m over here, it will be negative. 16m square minus 25m plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Now the product is 16 into 9. The product is 16 into 9, whatever might be the answer. Okay. And the middle term is minus 25. So the factors itself are 16 and 9. You know, there is no need to multiply this, because when you add 16 and 9, you'll get 25 only. So the factors are, what are the factors? Come on, tell me. I have given you the explanation behind this. Is it plus 16 plus 9 or minus 16 minus 9? Correct. So 16m square minus 16m minus 9m plus 9 equal to 0. 16m m minus 1 minus 9 m minus 1 equal to 0. Just copy this. Okay. So 16m minus 1 m minus 9. Just let me check. 16m minus 9 m minus 1 equal to 0. So m is equal to 9 by 16 or m equal to 1. Now m in this problem is x square minus 3x. So 16x square minus 48x is equal to 9. 16x square minus 48x minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Now you need to solve using formula method. This part you solve using formula method, which is for self study. Okay. And here also x square minus 3x equal to 1. So x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This part also you should solve using formula method. This part solve using formula method. Okay. Guys, did you understand this problem? Any doubts, any queries, any feedback? Any feedback? Have you understood this particular problem? Okay, let's go to question number 9. It should have been numbered as 8, but then it is 9 over there. Page number 3. So let's give the same number, that is 9. Root of 2x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 plus 6 root of x square minus 1 upon 2x square plus 1 equal to 5. Okay. Therefore, root of 2x square plus 1 upon root can be split in division and multiplication. Okay. We can split the root, but then we cannot split the root in addition and subtraction. Fine. Okay. So now see, let root of 2x square plus 1 upon root of x square minus 1 be m. Let this part be m. Let this orange colored part be m. Okay. Now, if we reciprocate this on both the sides, if we take the reciprocals on both the sides, what will be this? What will be this? What will be this? Anyone? Correct. This will be 1 upon m. This will be 1 upon m. Fine. So from 1 the equation will be m plus 6 upon m equal to 5. M plus 6 into 1 upon m equal to 5. M plus 6 into 1 upon m equal to 5. So m square plus 6 upon m equal to 5. M square plus 6 is equal to 5m. M square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. M square minus 3m minus 2m plus 6 equal to 0. M minus 3. 2m minus 3 equal to 0. M minus 3. M minus 2 equal to 0. So m equal to 3. M equal to 2. M equal to 3. M equal to 2. M equal to 3 or m equal to 2. Okay, so let's write m equal to 3. So what is m? M is this root of 2x square plus 1 upon root of x square minus 1 equal to 3. Okay, squaring both the sides. 2x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 9. To eliminate this roots, we have to square both the sides. So 2x square plus 1 is equal to 9x square minus 9. Cross multiply. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 9x square minus 2x square. 7x square equal to 10. X square equal to 10 by 7. So x is equal to plus or minus root 10 upon root 7. So this is one part I have solved. M is also equal to 2. This part I'll give you for self-study. But then have you understood this much? Guys, can you just share a small feedback? Now I'll tell you what majority of the students do. Okay, in this particular problem, they don't take the root as they take this m without the roots. Don't do that. It will get more difficult. Okay, so take m along with the roots. Take m along with the roots. Fine. Now directly I will take you to Question number 14. I'll take you to question number 14. Okay. 2 raised to x square is to 2 raised to x equal to 8 is to 1. So 2, it's a ratio. And since it is equal to, it's a proportion as well. Okay. So here apply indices. So 2 raised to x square minus x is equal to 2 cube. 8 is written as 2 cube. These are indices m minus n. Therefore, by comparing x square minus x equal to 3, x square minus x minus 3 equal to 0. You solve this, you will get the answer. You can use formula method for this. So this was relatively simple. See, relatively simple. Guys, I am giving you question number 13, question number 13 and question number 15 for self-study. I'll not be solving this because I have discussed this concepts with you all. 13 and 15 is for self-study. So we have done till question number 9, okay, and 13, 14, 15 in today's session. Okay, so that's it. This was session number 1 of exercise number 2. Fine, thank you.